Do you want to prevent yourself from getting hacked, or at least lower the risk of you getting hacked? Well, look into something called a security key. Today we're going to be diving into that. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al-Ahmed and today we're going to be discussing what is a security key and which one do I have actually. Let's get straight into it. So I've got something called a Yubikey. There are other security keys out there. I just want to mention that. I'm not sponsored or anything about Yubikey. It's just something that I've been using for over a year now. This is a 5C NFC version, I believe. Hopefully you guys can even see that. But I'll just put a quick like shot and stuff of this. But I actually have it in a setup with multiple stuff on it. I'm just going to be mentioning a few things here. So first and foremost, obviously I have the USB C type Yubikey, and then I have a USB C to A adapter, and then I have a A to lightning cable adapter, sorry, lightning port, not lightning cable. The reason is I have that all together so I don't ever need any other adapters if I wanted to log into my accounts anywhere. Obviously, this is actually NFC capable as well, so I use it with NFC, but I do have the other ways of getting in. Now, what is a Yubikey? A Yubikey is a security device. It's a physical security key to assist with two-factor authentication. Now, this works as a physical security key and as an authenticator, because Yubikey, the company, have their own authenticator called Yubikey Authenticator, I believe. Now, this authenticator works similarly as Google Authenticator, Authy, not like Microsoft Authenticator, because Microsoft Authenticator has like you need to put a code in and then that logs you in, which is actually awesome, if I'll be honest, with like your Face ID and stuff. Very, very quick, great for corporations. But anyways, this Yubikey is, in my opinion, the most secure that you can get to my knowledge anyways, and my knowledge might be outdated anyways, so do your own research, lol. Anywho, this is something that isn't too expensive. It all comes down to how much do you value your information out there. I use this for literally everything, even if it is low value. The reason is I'm into security like that. Just some pointers. This security key, you would need to purchase 2 of them. The reason is, if you were to ever lose a physical security key device, game over. That's it. All your logins to your accounts and stuff, that's it. You won't be able to log in anymore. So having a second one, if you did lose one, you'll be able to have the second one, and then obviously you can buy a third one and add it in if you ever lost one. In addition, this Yubikey is encrypted. What does that mean? If I were to ever lose it, somebody ever were to take it from me, they can't get in. It doesn't matter. It's fully encrypted, so that's excellent. Also, let's not forget that they need access to your username and password first. Now, if they got all of that through, I don't know, social engineering, you're just a silly person, ain't you, that lost this. But it can happen. It can happen. There's apparently, interesting enough, there's basically, I believe there's James from Invest Answers, another YouTube channel. His Yubikey, I don't know if it's replicated or what. I'm not up to date with it right now. But the last I know, his X account got there was unauthorized access to his X account, and he has a Yubikey. He has a security device. So I mean, I should be researching that to find out. But the thing is, obviously, I've been very busy with like real life stuff. So, but yeah, security key. I'm not actually aware of any hacks regarding this. I'm actually baffled at how that happened. I would want to know. I would recommend that you do your own research, but regardless, this is still the most secure way. The reason is it's completely offline as well. It's not like authenticators, for example, they go into a cloud. You can keep it offline, but still that's a single point of failure if you to ever lose your phone. Now, these devices, there's other authentication methods like SMS or email. These can be intercepted. This is the NFC function, so I assume that you could potentially replicate this. I don't know if a flipper can, where you can probably use something like that to replicate it. But that's if somebody knows that you have this. Obviously, I'm showing mine and stuff, and to be fair, I don't really have that much valuable stuff where if somebody did hack me, that they'd really benefit. So, yeah, go for it, whatever. Anyways, another thing, there's obviously a little hole here where you can put it into your keyring. That's how they Yubikey sell it. I've actually got it in a way where I've made a necklace. I've made this physical necklace is actually something that I made. I use stainless steel. It's nothing for decoration or anything. Literally, it's like a lanyard. That's the same purpose I'm using it. Just for people out there that you all know that I'm Muslim. Alhamdulillah. This just so you're aware, necklaces are not permissible for men to wear in Islam, regardless of if it's stainless steel or if it's silver, and obviously especially gold, where it's completely prohibited. Obviously the Sahih hadith regarding this, for anybody that doesn't know what Sahih is, it means authentic. It's authenticated in authenticated books. Now the thing is, as I mentioned, I'm using this in the purpose of as a lanyard. I may still be wrong, I may not still be allowed to use this, but I'm no scholar, and my intention isn't to be decorated with this. One of the main purposes of not being able to, one of the main reasons of not being able to be wearing necklaces and stuff as a man is because the Sahih Hadith mentions the fact that men are not allowed to imitate women. This is something that's completely prohibited. Now, anyways, so I'm using it as a necklace. Why? I say necklace, but it's as I said, a lanyard. The reason I say necklace because I do like jewelry and stuff, but I don't show this around. Normally, if anybody wore jewelry, it's like they want to like it's for appearance and just to, I don't know, look well, make themselves feel a bit better and stuff and look a bit better. To be fair, it is to beautify yourself, isn't it? Anyways, don't listen to me in the sense of this Islamic advice here. I would go with the default. Don't wear a necklace. Inshallah, this isn't me being sinful. Obviously, my intentions are completely different. I'm not wearing it due to trying to imitate women or trying to do any of this. But anyways, let's take the Islamic aspect out now and let's go back onto the security key. Do I recommend this? I highly recommend it. I would highly recommend using this with the scenario of, for example, your Google account. Have all other authentication methods off. SMS off, email off, tapping on another device off. Buy 2 or 3 YubiKeys or security devices. Put them all in. Put one of the primary, secondary, and then additional backup. You don't need to do the additional, but primary and secondary YubiKey, and then have that as your device authentication, because realistically nobody would be able to log into your devices or your accounts or whatever as long as you have a security key. As I said, there has been an attack, which please do research. It'd be interesting. I'm gonna actually have to research this once I get a bit more time on my hands. But yeah, so do get one if you're security conscious and if you care about these things. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you do pop a thumbs up. Do like my video. Obviously, I truly do appreciate the fact that you guys spend your time here, and hopefully you guys don't feel that I ramble on too much, lol. Anyways, as I said, in my previous video and stuff, none of these videos are actually scripted. I don't write bullet points and stuff just to help myself. But yeah, do subscribe to my channel if you like my content, if you like me and the way I present stuff, lol. Anyway, if you do enjoy it, subscribe, click that notification bell button, and yeah, be more involved. Comment down below. This time I don't know one hand type, lol. And lastly, let's not forget, together let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery, all. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Fun fact about me, did you know I am a Muslim, a follower of Islam? If you don't know what a Muslim is, maybe just pop a quick Google search in or watch my introduction video to this channel. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, do pop a thumbs up, comment down below if you have anything that you want to say to me, and if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel. Anyway, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you all next time. Take care.